Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about iOS 16.75 on iPhone X. So let's get started. So firstly, let's learn how to download it. So go to the settings on your iPhone X and scroll down and tap on the general option available there. So after you tap on the general, inside general, tap on software update. And if you have any latest update available, then simply tap on it and update it. So, iPhone 16.75 brings a host of new features and enhancements to iPhone X, offering users an improved and more refined experience from performance improvements to new functionalities. So, iPhone provides improvements like enhanced privacy controls, improves camera functionality, augmented reality enhancement, accessibility improvements, battery life, and many more. So overall, iOS 16.7.5 brings a of new features and improvements to the iPhone X, enhancing its performance, functionality, and user experience, with a focus on privacy, performance, and user satisfaction. So that is it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.